Hi friends, welcome back to John Dog Drinks. Today we are going to be making Korean strawberry milk. Yep, we are not doing cocktails today, just a nice summer treat. Now in Korea, this is actually a really popular drink during the summertime. Most cafes will have this as, a staple on their menu around this time of year. So let's hop in and start making this right away. So to start this off, we're gonna dice up some strawberries and put them in a pan. I like to lay them flat, cut vertically, switch it around, cut horizontally, and then give it a quick slice through. So you're going to want 8 strawberries diced up in the pan, and you're going to want 4 more just sliced nicely for later. Once this is in the pan, we're going to cook this on low for about 15 minutes, and we're going to add a little bit of extra stuff in there. We're going to add a tablespoon of honey, a little bit of lemon juice, as well as a tablespoon of sugar. And then we're just going to let that simmer for about 15 minutes, and then we're going to come right back to that. Okay, so flash forward a bit. It did not take 15 minutes. Depending on how much of this you're making, it might take longer, it might take less. It's just sort of eye it out. You want to wait until you have sort of like this jam-like consistency, and then you want to fold in the fresh strawberries. Okay, next we will get our chilled glasses. And we're sort of going to put half in one and half in the other. Next we'll add ice. And we're going to top with milk. Add straws, give it a quick stir as well. And that is our Korean strawberry milk. It tastes like milk and strawberries. I got rid of the straw, the chunks were getting stuck in it, but it tastes really good. It's nice and sweet. It's a nice summer treat for sure. So good. Anyways, that's Korean strawberry milk. Remember to like, subscribe, leave a comment below. Until next time, cheers!